Hi guys, Doula Kristy here, and my sweet little son Parker. He had a wonderful idea. He saw a video about a pineapple and turning it into a little bit of a sorbet pineapple bowl. And I thought it was a wonderful idea because a pineapple has the enzyme bromelain in it, which helps to trigger contractions and helps to soften your cervix. So the last week that you are pregnant, it's always good to eat a lot of pineapple. So what we've done here is we've made our own little pineapple sorbet bowls. I will show you here. They're awesome. So what we did is we took a pineapple, cut it in half, and then we actually scooped out the inside, and then we blended it. And now Parker is going to pour in the blended pineapple into the bowl. Looks so yummy. We even did the core too, because the core has the most bromelain enzyme in it. Great job! And then all you have to do after you do that is freeze it, and you have your own little pineapple bowl that will help you go into labor. So happy quarantining, enjoy your pineapple, and I'll see you soon. Bye.